In today's tutorial, Mishy's had disable sleep mode on your Chromebook, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Open that up, and then on the left panel, you want to go down and select System Preferences. On the right side, underneath Storage and Power, select Power. And then you should be able to adjust the sleep mode settings by clicking the drop down here, and you can select where it says keep display on, so it won't go into sleep mode basically. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.